Hi guys, this is Amy with Amy Pool Photography and Goldie Lights presets. In this video, I'm just going to show you a quick demo of how I would edit this baby's skin with my mini collection of skin retouch actions. So the first thing I'm going to do is run Skin Retouch Magic, and we're going to grab a soft white brush. So just make sure you have a soft white brush and click on the black layer mask. We are now just going to paint over baby's skin. I have it at 90% opacity up there on the brush right here. That is probably a little too heavy-handed, but we're going to go ahead and paint, and then we can lower the opacity in the layers panel after we do so. So look how that just takes away all the little blemishes on baby's skin, but it's also taking away some of the baby's skin texture. So we're going to come back over here to the layer panel on the opacity and just pull it down a little bit, just so we can see some of baby's skin texture coming back. So with these actions, you are going to want to flatten after every action. So go ahead and do layer, flatten image, and then we will run the next action that's in our mini set called Skin Tone Magic Foundation. We're going to go ahead and run that, and again we're going to use a soft white brush, and we are just going to paint on baby's skin with that, like so. Just get it all over baby's skin, and then we'll go look at the opacity. I always check opacity after I paint to make sure I like it. So that's before and after the Skin Tone Magic. Okay, and then we can just take a look at the opacity. I'm okay with that at 100% there, so I'm just going to leave it, and we are going to flatten this layer. And then we're going to go to Red Be Gone, and we're going to go ahead and run that. And again, we're just going to use a soft white brush. So we're going to go over the patches of the skin that are red, and you can see there that's a little much for me, so I'm just going to undo that. We're going to lower this opacity down. I don't know, let's just go around 30 and see how that looks on the red spots. So may want to move the brush up a little bit more, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the 4 to go to 40 opacity. A little bit on the ear there. There's a little bit of red over here to the side too. I'll just maybe go up a tiny bit more for this spot. All right, so we're going to look now at the before and after for the red layer. So there we have that, and we're going to go ahead and flatten that. So these are the 3 actions that are in my mini skin retouch collection. So we will go now and look at where we started. So this was before, and this is after. So before and after. I also have my full Skin Magic Retouch collection if you're interested in the full set. That is also available, but this is a demo from my mini set. If you have any questions, just go ahead and send me a message and I will get back to you. And thank you so much.